नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we will discuss lightning stroke injuries, physical factors of lightning stroke injuries. A flash or bolt of the lightning is due to an electrical discharge from a cloud of the earth. The electric current is direct with a potential or about 20,000 ampere and about 100 of 2000 million volts or more. Along the track of the current, much energy is liberated, most of which is converted into light. A single flash of lightning stroke lasts about one by thousandth of a time of a second, due to which no burns or only minor burns and singeing of air may be seen. It is attracted by the highest point. It passes normally along the outside of a conductor, and as such, person in building and relatively safe from electrocution. Dry skin and dry clothes are bad conductors, whereas wet skin and wet clothes are good conductors. Lightning or atmospheric electricity differs from ordinary electric current only in degree. The effects are seen in an area about 30 meters in diameter. A lightning bolt may injure or kill person by a direct strike, a side flash or conduction through another object. In a direct strike or a side flash strike, the current can spread over the surface of the body, enter it, or follow both routes. In a side flash strike, the flash of strike lightning hits an object, for example a tree, and jumping from it strikes the person. Rarely a person may be injured while indoors, while in the shower or bathtub, the current traveling along pipes or while using the telephone. Postmortem appearance. Four factors are involved: direct effort from electrical discharge passing to earth, surface flash burns from the discharge, mechanical effect due to force of displaced air around the flash by heat expansion, and compression effect due to air movement in its return wave. The clothes are usually burnt or torn at the point of entrance and exit. In some cases, the clothes may be stripped off the body and thrown to some distance. In exceptional cases, clothing is not damaged even though the person is killed by lightning. Conversely, clothing may be burned without any injury to the person. The expanded displaced air causes disruptive or blast-like lesions, for example, contusion, laceration, etc. Extensive ecchymosis may be seen on the skin of the trunk. Signs of asphyxia are present. Belts and boots may be ruptured. Rigor mortis may appear soon and pass off quickly. Intense edema of the skin develops at point of entry of current in those who survive, probably due to paralysis of local capillary and lymphatic vessels. Leptomeninges may be congested or lacerated. The brain may be congested or edematous. Subarachnoid and intracerebral bleeding may occur. Lungs are congested. Blood vessels may be thrombosed or ruptured. Rupture of eardrum and hemorrhage in middle ear can be seen. The burns may be linear. These vary from 3 to 30 centimeter or more in length and 0.3 to 2.5 centimeter in width. They are often found in the moist crease and folds of the skin. Arborescent or filigree burns. They are superficial, thin, irregular, and tortuous marking on the skin. These markings have a general pattern resembling the branches of a tree. This fern-like pattern of erythema in the skin is usually found over the shoulder of the or the flanks. It appears within a few minutes to 1 hour of accident. Surface burns. They are true burns and occur beneath metallic objects, worn or carried by the person, which are fused by the flesh. Cause of death. Involvement of the central nervous system with paralysis of the heart or of the respiratory center or electrothermal injury causes death. Medico-legally, most deaths occur in the open. Persons seated in motor vehicle do not suffer from harm due to insulation provided by tires or due to not having a circuit within it. Less than half of the person struck by lightning are killed. Death is always due to accident. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.